Hey everyone, and welcome back to CryptoScores. We are now entering the security category, one of the most critical sections when evaluating a crypto project. And we are starting with the De.Fi global score. This one is specifically about the security of the token itself, its smart contract, and its liquidity. The scanner analyzes the security of a token's smart contract across more than 30 blockchains. It looks for multiple security flaws in the code and lists them. It also checks the availability of security of the project's liquidity. Could liquidity disappear to hack, malicious activity, or even a massive sale by a wallet holding a large percentage of unlocked tokens? This is pure De.Fi security analysis, and CryptoScores integrates it with color codes so you can read it instantly. So let's take a look at the project Morpho. In the overview page, you can click on security here or over here, and as you can see, difficult to do better, 99 over 100, pretty good. As you can see, when we scroll down, we have the De.Fi global score, 9,000%, clearly in green. That's a strong security assessment. The smart contract checks out, the liquidity structure is solid, so green here means the token's code and liquidity have passed De.Fi's analysis without major concerns. At the contrary, let's take the project Real. As you can see, the security score is only about 25 over 100, and when you scroll down, the De.Fi global score is not in green, in a neutral color, with 6,500%. That's a significant drop compared to Morpho, and there are potential security concerns with this token, whether it's vulnerabilities in the smart contract, risky liquidity structure, or both, something flagged in the analysis. So when you see anything other than green on this metric, be careful. It doesn't automatically mean scam, but it means the security of the token itself has raised questions. And in crypto, as you know, security questions are not something you want to ignore. So, as always in CryptoScores, you can click on the score above and you go directly to the De.Fi scanner page for that token. There you will see the full breakdown, every security check, every flaw detected, the liquidity analysis, everything is laid out for you. And when you go back to the main dashboard, you can sort the entire dashboard by this score. Click on filters, scroll down to security, and you have the De.Fi score. With that filter, you can quickly identify which De.Fi projects have solid token security and which ones need a closer look. As always, you are the analyst, the score gives you the alert, your research does the rest. De.Fi global score, the security check of the token itself, check it on cryptoscores.com, and we will see you there in the next one.